In the example I've created here, I had a net income. But what if my business had a loss? What would that look like on the income statement? So what I like to do is to illustrate that real quick here. Advertising expense. What if I had rent expense? We'll do $2,000. I had supplies expense of, what shall we say, 300, and then some other big expense. Maybe I had a huge gas expense of $1,400. These are my total operating expenses, and of course these two numbers are going to be different. So let me go to my calculator here. First I'm going to total up all my expenses, get my total operating expenses here. 150 plus $2,000 plus 300, I'm sorry, 300 plus 1,400 equals 3,850. 3,850. And then I'm also going to have to, instead of subtracting the revenues from the expenses, instead of subtracting the expenses from the revenues, I'm going to subtract the revenues from the expenses. 3,850 minus $3,000, $3,000 is 850. And I also have to change down here. This is no longer net income. This is a net loss. $850. I lost money for that month. And sometimes this will be put in parentheses to show it's a negative number. Sometimes it'll be put in red. You might also have heard the expression, well, we're in the black. That's what this is talking about. If I've got a loss, well, that's in the red. But if this number is black, that means it's positive, and therefore it's a good thing. So this is what it looks like when I have a business that has a net loss.